Hi, Turbo Girl.
Hi, teacher. It's nice to see you again.
Thanks. I'm glad to see you too. Well, do you know what we are learning today?
Is it area?
Yes, let's look at this rectangular classroom first. It has a length of 7 meters and a breadth of 6 meters. Can you find its area?
We can use 1 meter square to do that. We need 7 1-meter squares to line its length and repeat the process 5 times. Altogether, we have 6 rows of 7 squares. Thus, 42 1-meter squares are needed to cover the classroom floor.
Good work, Turbo Girl.
It's quite tedious to count all the squares like what you did. So how do we find the area of the classroom floor in an easier and faster way?
First, we'll draw a rectangle to represent the classroom. To find the area, we line the length with squares and repeat the process along the breadth. In fact, what we are doing is taking the length and multiply it by the breadth.
Oh, I see. So the area of the classroom floor is 7 meters times 6 meters, which is equals to 42 square meters.
Since the classroom is rectangular, we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its breadth. It is written as the following. Area of a rectangle equals to length times breadth. Do you think you can find the area of this gift tag given its length and breadth?
Let me try. Since it is also rectangular in shape, I take the length 5 centimeters and multiply it by the breadth 4 centimeters. I know the area is 20 square centimeters.
Well done, Turbo Girl.
I know how to find the area of a rectangle. What about a square? How are we going to find the area of a square?
A square is like a rectangle except that it has 4 equal sides. We can use 1 centimeter squares to measure the area of a 5 centimeter square, like the way we do it with rectangles. There are 5 1 centimeter squares along one side of the square, and we repeat that process 4 times. Altogether, we have 5 rows of 5 squares. Counting all the 1 centimeter squares, we know that the area of the square is 25 square centimeters.
We can find the area of a square when we take its length to multiply by itself. Thus, 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters is equals to 25 square centimeters. Area of a square equals to length times length equals to 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters, which is equals to 25 square centimeters. A square of size 5 centimeters has an area of 25 square centimeters.
Yes, you are correct.
I know now how to find the area of a rectangle and a square.
Good, Turbo Girl. Can you tell me the units of measurement for area?
Yes, teacher. We measure area in either square centimeters, which can be written as this, or in square meters, which can be written as this.
You have learned quite a lot today, Turbo Girl. Alright, let's summarize what you've just learned.
I learned to use the formula to calculate the area of a square and a rectangle in terms of square centimeters and square meters. To find the area of a square, I will multiply the length of the square by itself, while for a rectangle, I will multiply the length by the breadth of the rectangle. I have also understood the use of abbreviations, square centimeters and square meters.
Good. I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, teacher.